4:50 this morning, and in your health headlines, whooping cough cases are on the rise in the U.S., including in Iowa. There have been 72 cases in Iowa so far this year, and this is the highest number since 2019, according to the Iowa Department of Health and Human Services. While whooping cough starts with symptoms a lot like a common cold, it can get much more serious very fast.
And that cough can last anywhere from a couple weeks to as long as 3 months. And it can be so severe that people have had broken ribs because of the cough. And it's usually worse at night. And it usually occurs at least once an hour. So you can imagine people who have that cough don't sleep well at all.
Dr. Wellington says getting vaccinated is the best way to protect infants and children.